Hello, Dylan.
Good afternoon, Adam.
We welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Thursday, May 10th.
Attention to all ETS and Classic Upward Bound seniors. We will be having pizza and cake outside during A, B, and C lunch periods today in the Circle Drive. Come out and enjoy this senior end of the year event, sponsored by Talent Search and Upward Bound.
Tomorrow at 12:30 is the Seniors Honors Assembly. All seniors and juniors will attend. Seniors will be dismissed to the auditorium right after fifth hour to find their seats in the middle sections toward the front. Juniors will be dismissed at 12:25 to the auditorium and will sit behind the seniors in the middle sections.
Attention all students who will be 18 by November 6, 2018. There will be a voter registration drive following the Senior Honors Assembly tomorrow in the auditorium foyer. Students need their driver's license number and the last 4 digits of their social security number to register.
Attention all 2018-2019 Link Crew applicants. Tomorrow, pick up an envelope from Mr. Cassidy's room after school. The first train date for the next year's Link Crew will be Friday, May 18th in the afternoon.
Tomorrow is the last day for senior names to be submitted to the Courier for publication.
Seniors, tomorrow is the last day to pay fines and fees by check.
Come see Once on This Island, the musical, in the Auditorium at 7 p.m. Friday, May 18th, 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. Saturday, May 19th. Purchase tickets in the business office or at the door.
If you're looking for a fun activity, try out for Color Guard. Rehearsals will be May 21st, 22nd, and 24th from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the upper gym, and the audition will be May 29th from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. There is no prior experience necessary. If you have questions, see Mr. Kleinheitz in the band room.
Summer school applications are available. Pick up, in, and return to counseling services before May 31st.
Today's events: boys tennis at Cedar Falls 9 a.m., girls golf at Pheasant Ridge 2:30 p.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Have a great day. Be blessed.